In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collapsible section in Confluence. Collapsible sections are perfect for keeping pages clean and scannable while still offering deeper detail on demand. They're great for FAQs, technical notes, or long reference content that doesn't need to be visible all the time. First, open the Confluence page where you want the collapsible section to live. Make sure you have permission to edit the page in that space. If the page is part of a larger document, it helps to glance over the layout and decide where a hidden block would make the most sense, like beneath a summary or after a heading. Next, click Edit to enter the page editor. You'll see the standard editing toolbar at the top. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the collapsible area to appear. To keep things tidy, consider adding a blank line before and after this spot so the section has a bit of breathing room and doesn't run into other content. Type /, then the word expand, /expand. This opens Confluence's quick command menu. If you don't immediately see the result, make sure your cursor is in regular body text, not inside a code block or table header where some macros are harder to insert. From the menu that appears, select the expand macro. You can click it with your mouse or use the arrow keys and press enter. Confluence will insert a collapsible container right where your cursor was. You'll notice a title field at the top of the container. Give it a clear short label, like details, steps, or more info, so readers know what they're expanding. Now add the content you want to hide inside the expandable section. You can type text, paste content, or insert elements like images, links, and tables. Keep the first sentence inside concise because readers will see it as soon as they expand. Use headings and short paragraphs for readability and avoid burying critical information here. Essential points should remain visible on the main page, with the collapsible section providing optional depth. When you're satisfied, publish the page. After it loads, test the section by clicking the title to expand and collapse it a few times. Check that the formatting looks right, images display correctly, and links work. If something feels off, click Edit again, adjust the content or title, and republish. That's it. You've created a clean, collapsible section that keeps your Confluence page focused while still offering all the detail your readers might need.